So, do you know what special day is coming up?
Yes! Father's Day!
That's right. So let's make some delicious Father's Day chocolate cupcakes. Yummy! Oh, and stay tuned to learn some fun facts with us. So let's have a look at the ingredients. For the delicious Father's Day chocolate cupcakes, you will need 2 cups of self-raising flour, 1 cup of white sugar, 3/4 of a cup of oil, 1 cup of buttermilk, this is 250 ml, 3 heaped tablespoons of cocoa powder, 3 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and some cupcake holders. For the frosting, you will need 2 tablespoons of butter, 1½ cups of confectioner's sugar, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and some milk as needed. Now to decorate these delicious cupcakes, we will be using these different types of sweets.
Oh, my father's favorite.
So we've got some coated candies, some red licorice, these heart-shaped gummies, because we love Daddy so much, some chocolate peanuts, and mini marshmallows. So let's get started.
Let's get baking.
So in a large bowl, combine the sugar, eggs and vanilla extract and mix until combined. What are you doing for your father this Father's Day? Let us know in the comment section. Step 2. Now add in the flour, cocoa powder, and mix until almost combined. Then add in the oil and mix. Step 3. Add in the buttermilk a little at a time and mix this until fully combined. Step 4. Now spoon the cupcake mixture into the cupcake holders. Then bake this for about 20 to 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Once this is fully baked, remove from the oven and allow to cool. Step 5. Let's make the chocolate frosting. In a bowl, combine the confectioner's sugar and cocoa powder. Then lightly mix this. Now add in the butter and mix the butter into the dry ingredients. Add a little milk at a time and mix this until it becomes thick and creamy. Cupcakes are called cupcakes because they are baked in cups.
Let's decorate the cupcakes. Oh, Dan, I can't wait to give this yummy cupcakes to my daddy. Daddy, can you take your blindfold off? Happy Father's Day, Daddy!
Wow! Thank you, my angel.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun recipes. See you next time. Goodbye.
Goodbye.